Hello everyone. I'm making this video because I had a couple subscribers send in a message saying they were having trouble pulling up their graphing screen and they had different messages pop up. There's two ways that I can think of that would prevent you from graphing on your graphing screen. The first one I'm going to show you is when you hit your window button. A common mistake that people might do is where it has the X-min, X-max, or the Y-min, Y-max values, they'll have them switched around so that when you have like positive 10 for the X-min and then the negative 10 for the X-max, that will not make any sense to the calculator because the min must be smaller than the max. So when I go to hit the graph button, it says ERR Window Range. So I would go back to my window screen after I hit enter and see that I had my values switched around. So always make sure that the X-min value is smaller than the X-max value. So let me fix that right now. And I'll show you the other problem that arises. The other one that arises is I'm going to hit the Y equals button and I'm going to turn the plot on. Now when I hit graph, it says ERR Dimension Mismatch. Now what's occurring here is this, and I've already entered this into my stat list, so I hit the stat button, bring up the list, is I have 2 points in here and one of the points is incomplete. I have the point 1, 6, which the graphing calculator can graph no problem because it has 2 coordinates. But this one down here I have 6, comma, and then I forgot to enter the other coordinate. So if I go and enter in 3 for my Y value here, and when I hit graph, this should come up. Alright, hit graph, and there's my 2 points. So those are the two main problems that I usually come across with my students or anybody asks me, what's going on. Now, the user or the subscriber that sent me the message was talking about their TI-84 plus calculator, and the message that they came up with was invalid dimensions. I couldn't figure out how that came about using my TI-84, so if anybody has any suggestions on how to solve the message when it comes up invalid dimensions, please post some comments below and we could help this person out. Thank you.